Well, I feel like I've already kind of answered that, but let's just go through it and think about it. Let's choose bedside lamp, for instance. Bedside lamp. Heaps of people selling bedside lamps, loads and loads and loads of them selling bedside lamps. There are 4,000 results for bedside lamps indexed within Amazon. Look at all the different kinds of bedside light lamps. How do you know if you are promoting a product that's unique? Well, you know by doing your research and by going and doing competitive analysis, which is one of the things I tell you to do in the AOE training modules, to go and look at your competitors. So here, for instance, well, is there anybody else selling a lamp like that? Let's have a look. No, there is not another person selling a lamp like that. Now, they are selling a bedside lamp, but it's clear that that is a unique product that would suit a unique placement within a particular person's style that they have for their home. Wouldn't suit all homes, wouldn't suit our home. I don't think anyway. My wife Natasha may vigorously disagree with me, but I don't think she would. So they have made their product unique within a very, very competitive niche with a shitload of competitors. Let's try somebody else. What about these people here? Looks like a lamp, a glowy kind of yellowy lamp. That's the same. That's the same. That looks kind of the same. That looks kind of the same. That looks kind of the same. That Tekken one there. So there, oh, that's kind of the same too. That's reasonably similar too. And so I would say they have not done a very good job at differentiating their product and making it unique, because it looks like heaps of other products on the page one as well. So how do you know? You go and look. You go and do the research and you work out who you are going to sell this product to. Who is the person who's going to sell your product? Because clearly the person who wants to buy this lamp, this one right here, this one right here, is very, very different to the person what wants to buy this lamp. They're very different people. And so understanding that instantly separates you from the competition. Instantly separates you from the competition. So Ralph, if you do the work, you will find unique products to sell on Amazon. But if you just sell what everybody else is selling, you're kind of screwed. You're kind of screwed. The days when you could do that are long gone. Those days are long gone. Now you have to be smart to sell things on Amazon, and you've got to differentiate your product, and you've got to follow my training to do that. Hope that helps. Work out your avatar, says Hayden. Absolutely. Research is everything. It really, really is. If you research and understand who you're selling to, you can be extremely unique on Amazon and make a lot of money. But if you just try and sell something, what you just found on Alibaba, and you didn't give it any thought at all, then you're screwed. You'll get eaten alive on Amazon. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.